Hello beautiful people, welcome back once to Think Life Out of the Box. So how are you guys? Hope so all are well, and you must be thinking what happened to me. I'm not uploaded single video in this week. So there is a big reason, of course. Without any reason, there must be a reason, right? And so you have to watch till the end. So this video especially I thought to share how my Sunday goes. So it's like Sunday vlog, and right now Sunday been very lazy one because I wake up at 6 normally because my morning time starts at 5. During Sundays I just wake up at very calmly like 6 to 6:30, but since I'm too not well, so I woke up today at 7, and right now it's already 8. It's going to be 8, and today is very I just love this weekend part of Sunday because everything comes over here. And I think what feel is that from other part of the day like Monday, Tuesday, I think Sunday is one of the most not a hectic day I will tell, but a very important day and very different from other days because every day I just study and just do random things like shooting that normally goes with YouTube. But now on this day I do reels, even Insta reels shooting with this YouTube shooting with my studies and planning out for the next week, and everything comes over only in one day, and for that 24 hours in that 24 hours we have to do a lot of many things. So it's some type of very enjoyable. At that point it's very hectic even too. So editing part goes at the end of the day only. In the night I just sit and chill and I do editing because editing is one of the very important and need a very concentration in that. If something went wrong, then again we have to start from the beginning. So I just keep it at the end of the day. So right now it's 8 and thinking to planning out what all to do because one is going with that shooting, and that which will go tomorrow on Monday morning or evening. I'll see that. I'll take recommendation from you guys only because when you are free nowadays, like lockdown started, so I think everyone must be not free, but this must be at the home. So but still I'll take the recommendation from you guys, don't worry. I'll put the poll on Instagram and even do Facebook. If you guys are not following, just go and follow. So right now it's 8. Let's see what to do. हेलो एवरीवन सो हो चुका है टाइम शूट करने की, और फिलहाल अभी तो हो चुके कितने हो चुके 11:40. सो राइट 11:40, और हमें जल्दी से जाना है और जल्दी से शूट करनी है बिफोर लंच, एंड होप सो विल कंप्लीट. और ये फर्स्ट टाइम है कुछ न्यू लुकअप के आगे न्यू गेटअप करके मेरी शूटिंग कैसी होती है, खास करके संडे के दिन कैसी होती है, क्योंकि संडे के दिन आई थिंक छुट्टी रहती है, थोड़ी सी फ्री रहती हूँ कंपैरिजन अदर डेज. और आज मैंने सोचा क्यों ना आपको दिखाई दूँ कि मेरी संडे के दिन कैसी चलती है और कैसे दिन होते हैं मेरे संडेज, और क्या क्या करना होता है. ऐसा नहीं कि संडे भी काम करनी होती है, संडे तो हाँ काम तो करनी होती ही है, बट इसके साथ बहुत सारे कुछ चीज़ें होती है क्योंकि फैमिली टाइम हो जाती है मेरी. तो अभी बात करने का टाइम नहीं है, बाद में बात करेंगे, शाम को भी है टाइम है हमारे पास. बट चलो दिखाती हूँ मैं आपको कैसे शूटिंग है. कम ऑन.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're round it. Everyone falls down sometimes, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, wake up and nothing works, you feel surrounded. Gotta give your feet some gravity to get.
Guys, see this one. See this, where it is. Yeah, see this dog. Hi, doggy. Hello, bandas. These bandas, they are disturbing us every day. देखिए guys, कितना मस्त नज़रिया है. तो इवनिंग का नज़रिया ऐसा ही होनी चाहिए, थोड़ी सी ब्लूइश भी होनी चाहिए, पर बारिश नहीं हो रही है आज, तो ऐसा कोई ब्लूइश नहीं दिखाई देगी. गाइस, ये जो डॉगी है ना, ये जो डॉगी है सबसे वर्ल्ड मोस्ट, नहीं दिखेगा. Hello everyone, so sorry guys, I was like not able to do the shooting in the between because I was little busy doing planning out for the next week, and I was just planning out what to do for the next week videos for you guys, and I was even to planning for my studies because the last week what I reviewed from that is that I'm really unhappy with myself, but let me tell you, I'm happy with today's day since I felt that I was able to complete everything that I have decided, and the day went also really good, and editing also, half of the editing over, and lot many thing I did today, and that's how my days of not every Sunday but for a monthly, I think that any like any Sunday or any 2 Sunday goes like with shooting only. I just do at the time because it is not possible for me to do every Sunday taking break and doing shooting. I think it's some short type of wasting only because studies is even too important. So what is for the next planning is that I won't be making any separate videos for any separate video for weekly plan, because I think it is already done for this month. Yeah, it is already done. So now the important is very important now for all the YouTube's videos. The very important point is too that like every day the upload video will go. Like Monday, like tomorrow morning it will go, tomorrow afternoon it will come, like then on 1 day gap, again Wednesday 1 day gap, again Friday again 1 day gap, Sunday. So like that I'll see and I'll go, because one day I'm giving breakovers from doing the editing because I can't do whole day editing because I have to study even too. So this is the one thing I have to do, and another thing is that challenging myself. Yes, to wake up at somewhat 4:30 around and 5. This was the goal. I think this is the goal of the May month. So it's a part of the day only. Then completing studies with 8 hours challenge, and so completing, like starting with organic chemistry and physics, we are in the half, or like I'm in the halfway of the ray optics, and botany and geology is also in the halfway, so I have to complete this 3 of thing, and organic chemistry is very big chapter, so it won't be completed in 1 week. I think it's going to take a long time, so I even want to take a long time because at the end of the time I just don't have to run, and so I'm going to take clearly this chapter very carefully and like slowly I'll go, so I'm not going to be hurry in this chemistry part. So this is how my Sunday or every day goes. Not every Sunday, as I said you, like any like on the month, like any 2 Sunday goes like that, because it's like pack type, and every day also shooting and studies goes. So this is how the day, and don't think that it's like very hectic. It's very enjoyable. If you enjoy your work, of course you will feel enjoy. And please avoid the background sound. I'm sorry for that. If it's like if it's audible, then please avoid it. And so how's the day? That's how it's go, and hope so guys you all have enjoyed. And the big reason is that why I have not uploaded my video for the 1 week is that जिस वीडियो लाइक अभी जिस फ़ोन पे कर रही हूँ ना, इसका डिस्प्ले मेरा चला गया था, लाइक इट गॉट डैमेज्ड, द डिस्प्ले ऑफ माई फोन गॉट डैमेज्ड, सो इट वेंट फॉर रिपेयर, so I was not able to make videos. I could have made
on my mother phone, but the problem was that to again change the email ID because the video जो वीडियो मेरे चैनल पे जाएगा देन email ID चेंज करो, वो बहुत धंधा लगता है। तो मैंने बोला कि क्यों ना हम रुक जाते कुछ दिन तक, फिर आने के बाद मस्त करेंगे वीडियोस। तो मैं रुक गई। तो ये थे मेरे सीक्रेट रीजन कि मैं क्यों एक हफ्ते तक नहीं वीडियो अपलोड कर पाई। मैंने ट्राई भी किया, आई थिंक मैंने इंस्टा पे भी ट्राई की कि भेजने के लिए, बट फिर आई थिंक लैपटॉप से इंस्टाग्राम से मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे इतना नहीं आता था, तो मैंने बस फेसबुक पे कर दिया। लेकिन मम्मा के फ़ोन से भी की थी तो हुआ नहीं, तो मैंने छोड़ दिया। मैं बोली कि वीडियोज़ में ही बोल देंगे। तो ऐसी रही मेरी दिन, बहुत अच्छी थी एंड आशा करती हूँ आप लोग भी अच्छे होंगे और अच्छे से जाइए। तो अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं गाइस। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। टिल दैट गुड नाइट एवरीवन एंड कीप डूइंग हार्ड वर्क, नेवर लूज योर होप एंड वर्क फॉर योर पैशन। तो बाय। अभी सोने का टाइम आ चुका है, मतलब मेरा नहीं, मुझे एडिटिंग भी करनी है, तो ये वीडियो कैसे है। चलो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं। आप सभी को नमस्ते, अलविदा, बाय, स्टे सेफ गाइस, कीप ग्रोइंग, बाय।
मधुरा मौना मिडिमा हृदय